In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and copy worksheets to another workbook in Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to reorganize your work, share a single sheet without the rest of a file, or spin up a clean workbook from one well-prepared tab. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each option means, and add a few tips so you avoid common pitfalls. Start by going to the Sheet tab you want to move or copy. These are the tabs along the bottom of Excel, like Sheet 1 or Sales Q1. Right-click directly on the tab itself. Don't click in the cells, so you open the sheet's context menu. This ensures the action applies to the whole worksheet, including all data, formatting, charts, and page setup tied to that tab. From the menu that appears, choose Move or Copy. This opens the Move or Copy dialog, which controls where the sheet goes and whether you're moving it or making a duplicate. At the top, you'll see the To Book drop-down. This is where you decide the destination. Open the To Book drop-down and select New Workbook. With this choice, Excel will create a brand new file and place your sheet inside it. If you want the original sheet to remain in the current workbook as well, make sure to check the Create a Copy box before confirming. Leaving that box unchecked means the sheet will be moved out of the current file and placed in the new one, effectively relocating it. You can also use the Before Sheet list to control where the sheet lands in the destination. For a new workbook, placement is usually straightforward, but this option is helpful when you're organizing multiple tabs. When you confirm the dialog, Excel instantly builds the new workbook with your moved or copied sheet. You'll see it open as a separate window with a default name, and your sheet's content, formatting, and most settings, like column widths, page layout, and print areas, come along with it. Formulas that reference only the sheet you moved will work as expected. If your formulas point to other sheets that you didn't move, Excel will maintain external references back to the original file, which can be handy or something to tidy up, depending on your needs. That's it. Right-click the Sheet tab, choose Move or Copy, pick New Workbook under To Book, and confirm. You'll have a clean standalone file built from exactly the tab you needed, ready to save, share, or further edit.